Love knows no age. It can happen at any time with anyone. Yet society often has outdated expectations of what a relationship should look like. But can a younger man truly fall in love with an older woman? Let's explore age is just a number, they say. But when it comes to matters of the heart, can it really be that simple? Research suggests that love knows no boundaries, including age. Let's delve into the reasons why a younger man may find himself drawn to an older woman. Contrary to stereotypes, younger men are often attracted to older women for various reasons. Older women tend to exude confidence, wisdom, and independence, qualities that can be incredibly appealing to younger men seeking emotional maturity and stability in a relationship. Furthermore, age does not dictate compatibility or chemistry. Shared interests, values, and emotional connection are what truly matter in any relationship. It's about finding someone who understands you on a deeper level, regardless of age. Love is a complex emotion that transcends age barriers. When two individuals connect on a profound level, age becomes irrelevant. It's about mutual respect, understanding, and support that form the foundation of a strong and lasting relationship.